Hello everyone, this is Kieran from Keys Minis. Today we're just taking a look at a quick tutorial on how to magnetize weapons on the Sagitaurs, and you can apply this on the Land Fortress as well for the Votann. I'm using M35 magnets. Firstly, I just check the size of the magnet to the drill bit, and then I'm just going to drill into the socket. See, I'd learned actually after I've done all these, I could have done this a lot easier by just magnetizing inside under this part of the, I don't know what it's, the weapon attachment. You could actually just fit the magnet under there, but if you don't and you've already built it up, drill into the chassis, create a large enough hole for you then to add your magnets in. The M35s are really powerful, great magnets. These are from Green Stuff World, I think. With a bit of super glue then, we're just gonna gently add a little bit of glue to the bottom of the magnet, or you can add it into the socket that you're going to put it into, and then we're just going to slightly press it in. Hold it in place for a little bit. I tend to snap off a few of the magnets, so I've just got a little bit of the magnet, other magnets attached. Allow it to dry. Now you're going to drill into the base of the weapon. Drill roughly a big enough hole. Keep checking with the placement of the magnet to just see how you've got a big enough hole, a big enough space for you to attach the magnet so it fits comfortably. I actually ended up shaving a little bit of the nub off, just because I wasn't getting a great attachment on one set that I'd done, but you really don't have to do that. If I'd have properly stuck the magnet underneath the chassis, then I wouldn't have had to do this section, but you can inside the nub. If you drill far enough in, you can get the magnet to fit in perfectly. Now you just got to test which side the magnets actually fit to, where you're going to attach it to. Just gently flip it over, and then add some glue to the section. Another quick test I was doing here just to make sure, and then again, just all you're going to do is stick the magnet in the slot, allow it to dry. Roughly it takes a few minutes until you can actually snap it off. I'd left many magnets on, and trial and error of just doing these. If you just leave a few on, it's better. That's it. Very simple process, and you can just test then to make sure you've got all the connections in the right place, and they stick really well together. You might not have the best connection like some of the ones I did, but I'm learning in this process, and here's the other weapons just to show you. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll be back next week with another painting video. I thought this would just be an interesting one for people that wanted to know how to magnetize their Sagitaurs.